Hey there guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with the Lizzie Gecko 4.0. Happy holidays from Abners Reviews. So for this month, we are giving away this NERF and Strike Elite Disruptor right here, and we are also giving away a $10 Amazon.com gift card. So to enter our giveaway right here, all you need to do is get subscribed, like, comment, and share our videos this November 2022. So any of our videos for November, and then we will be randomly choosing our winners by the end of November 2022. So best of luck to everyone. Happy holidays guys. Stay safe. Again, this is Abners Reviews, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. We have a hand dart magazine right here, a plastic sight, 20 pieces darts, and our actual Gecko 4.0 right here. Okay, so the Gecko 4.0 right here is a spring-loaded pistol toy gun right here. So what we got is a camo version, as you can see, camo in color right here, mostly plastic in construction. There's a hive-like engraved design on the grip right there. So the construction of the gun is almost entirely made of plastic. The inner tube is made of metal. So that one is the metal part right there. Two available rails, so one on top right here and one down here. And of course this is our trigger. This right here on the left side is the mag release lever right here. So this gun uses smaller darts right here. So this is our regular Elite darts right here from NERF. So this one is what our Gecko 4.0 is using. There goes the difference right there. So on our magazine right here, it's also plastic with spring, of course. It has a good enough build quality. Some details right there on the bottom. So the arrow right there is where the head of the foam bullet should be pointing, and you can see that it should hold 8 darts at a time. So as you can see, we can fit 10 darts in here. So the recommended is only 8. Just keep that in mind. So this is the plastic sight which comes with the package. It's not really a red dot sight or anything else. So this goes on top right here. And there we go. So now let's fit in the magazine. And there we go. So again, our mag release lever is right here on the left side. So all you need to do to release the magazine is click this up with your thumb, like so. Mag goes back in. To release it, click the lever upward. There we go. Okay, so to arm our Gecko, again, it is a manual spring-loaded toy gun. So you have to prime it every time, like so. Let's remove this first, because as you can see, if we prime it, it's pushing down on my hand right here. So that will create problems when we prime it every time. So let's just remove it. You arm this pistol like so. And there we go. So for included features and attachments, we are giving this Gecko a score of 3 out of 5. Okay, so for grip and handling, this base right here, or the gun grip, is really a rather big or huge one in size. So it's great for the hands. So the grip is really good, and you can easily reach the trigger right here with a good grip on the gun. And of course, as you can see, our lever right there for our mag release is completely reachable as well. So this is a good design in terms of the grip. So in terms of grip and handling, we are giving the Gecko a score of 4 out of 5. So for ammo capacity, as you can see, it includes 20 small foam darts. So that's good. At least you have 20, right? And the magazine right here recommended 8, but we managed to get in like 10 darts in it. So I would say that is that'll be normal in terms of the ammo capacity. So we are giving the Gecko, in terms of ammo capacity, a score of 4 out of 5. Now this is stock and loaded. I suppose we can now put this on our chronograph machine. So for FPS, we are giving the Gecko a score of 5 out of 5. So there you go, guys. As you have seen on our test fire right there, the Gecko is pretty much accurate in terms of hitting our targets right there, right? So for accuracy, we are giving it a score of 4 out of 5. Okay, so to tally our final scores, please refer to the screen for our computation. So in terms of the performance and capabilities of the Lizzie Gecko 4.0, foam dart toy gun right here. And there we go, guys. So you've seen our Lizzie Gecko 4.0 right here in action, and I must say that the build quality is really good on this one, even though it's mostly plastic outside, but at least it has a barrel that is metal inside, so that's a plus. Fortunately, this one, the plastic sight, we really didn't use because it hinders the priming of the gun, because we need the entire top side right there to arm our gun manually. So I definitely don't advise using that plastic sight right there. The magazine is good. The Gecko also scored really good in our chronograph tests right there, as you have seen, right? Wow, this gun hits hard. And although it's a little bit hard to prime, because maybe this spring is really needed to be that much sturdy to give out that performance, but then as you have seen, it hits hard, it's accurate, and I really like this gun. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the Lizzie Gecko 4.0 foam dart toy gun right here. If you have inquiries and comments, please put them all down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our toy gun reviews right here, as well as our usual video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.